Okay, here's the dip pack. It's on the dolly. And I got it shrouded right now. It's wearing its touring shroud because let me show you what's going on here now. I'm getting ready to put a giant hole in the side of the thing for the dip pack reel stud. The stud that holds the reel. I got to cut a 1 7/8, 1 3/4 hole, which is the size of the inner circle. If that doesn't work out, I'll be using a, that's for the reel stud boss. Whoops, tripped over some crap here. Yeah, here's what it looks like from this side and stuff, whatever, you know? Yeah, this is to keep the, I got the die grinder. I'm going to drill a 1/4 inch hole and then I'm going to drill a 1/2 inch hole, you know, with my old drill here, drill bit and stuff. And there's my die grinder. And I got it properly ragged out, as you can tell. The thing shoots oil out the back. Makes a real nice day if you don't have it properly ragged. So I got it ragged to keep the oil down. There's my carbide burr and whatever. So yeah, we're going to drill a couple of holes there at 1 7/8, and then we're going to have some excitement. We're going to do what I call die grinding. I got the inner hole is the size of the boss that has to go through. The boss goes through the rear. The boss is 1 3/4 diameter by approximately 1 1/4 tall. I made a new reel stud plate and a new reel stud boss, and I'll show you that later. But this is the proper orientation. This is where the reel mounts, of course, and I got it all shrouded so that you know, when I'm using the die grinder and stuff, the crap goes everywhere. I still don't have the sheet metal on the dip pack yet, but it's on the dolly. It's bolted to the dolly, and we're getting ready to do some drilling and some die grinding. I got a nice rig on the other side to catch the chips that fall on the other side. So this is where the excitement comes in, boys. Okay, hang on tight. Here we go. Alright, we've been die grinding a while here, you know, and made a couple of discoveries. The hole's bigger now. Yeah, let me sit down for you. One of the discoveries is the compressor's running. Yeah. And the other discovery is you got to make sure you have a good double cut. You need a double cut burr on thin sheet metal. If you use a single cut, it goes every damn where. You can't hold on to the thing. There's my soup can in the back. See, that's hopefully catching all the crap that falls out the back. On the back I got a taped on soup can and or a tuna can or something. And I have another second line of defense below it in case that thing fails or partially fails. You know, the plan is to you know, vacuum up afterward, and then you know, remove the loose tools, vacuum up all this crap that's on the 2 old bed sheets, and then remove the bed sheets, and then do some more vacuuming, and then blow out the dip pack. You know, okay, so that's where we're at so far. But the major discovery I tried to tell you about while the thing was shaking was the masking tape was a bad idea, because it gives it up. It gives up as I'm, you can see it's sticking out. The adhesive fails because of the heat, and then it comes out toward me, and then I can't tell where the line is. So what I should have done was I should have scribed the line into the sheet metal, or maybe used bluing. But in any event, this masking tape was a bad idea, But now, it's too late to do anything about it because the center is lost. So what I might end up having to do is trim around that inner line with a freaking X-Acto knife, which is really going to take a while to get right in the line, so that the line doesn't move around when I'm die grinding. Yeah, and this is all part of the excitement, okay? Yeah, so, okay. Thanks for checking in. Yeah, okay. Hold on. Alright. Use my number 11 X-Acto knife, you know? And I cut the tape away. I still got to get the idea is to remove the black part, but none of the white. This is for the stud boss on the reel stud for the dip back. This is what it looks like from far away. You know, you're familiar with the scenario. Okay. Okay, yeah. I switched to the stone, you know. I've been grinding out the hole with the stone now. Grinding it out with the stone. Grinding and fitting and testing. You know, fitting the thing in there, fitting the boss in. Trying to see if it'll go in there. You know, it's a drag. We're working away. This is a buster. A real sack buster. You know, getting that hole in there. And because now I don't know whether it's centered or not. So now what's going to happen is I got to put the plate in, and the 4 outer holes have to align. And if they don't, I'm going to have to move this hole either, you know, that way or downward, or who knows which way, some combination of directions. It's a drag, you know. We've been die grinding here. Grinding and dying and busting our proverbial sack. Yeah, it's a sack buster. Okay, hang in there. Grinding it out.